Yo, wagwan. We not waste of time, you know. Not even no intro now get. No, not get nothing. Watch ya. That song I dropped 2 minutes ago. Literally 2 minutes ago. So you know, say I'm back. Pussy me back. All right, Tommy Lee, Destroyer. I just want to spend a special shout out to let me see, cause the G just messaged me. Junior Clouded, big up yourself, G. You just messaged me and say, yo, Tommy Lee drop a new song in name Destroyer. All right, could jump in the one and see what I got. We not waste of time. What's go?
I must say a Purple Island, big city you come from, you know. They got promise them everything, you know.
Hold on, wait. Me not ready. Wait to blood clot. Me forgot to say war me there. No, sir. Me forgot. Me forgot to say war me there, guys. Me not ready. When I did it, me so. Eh? No, me ready. Me ready. Me ready.
You really wanna get so big. I must say a Purple Island, big city you come from, you know. They got promise them everything, you know. You really wanna get so big in life. You can't.
Hold on. The thumbnail. Hold on. Me can't just skip past the thumbnail, so. All right, hold on. Destroyer. Mosquito Destroyer kill Mosquito. That's what it's called, Destroyer, all right? The song name Destroyer. Look down here, so you see Mosquito down here, so. Mosquito 1, Mosquito 2. Mosquito jump in at color low. Mosquito blue, Mosquito you. All right, Mosquito him attack. All right, let's go.
Come back a big city. Go and go poke you. You can't be a goat and a nerd and a king one time.
You can't be a goat and a nerd same time? What am I say?
You can't be a goat and a nerd and a king one time. Fish and crooks in a swamp, pussy and yam. One round. Shit more.
Man say fish and crooks in a swamp, a pussy and yam. We are break down this car, we know what miss nothing. The first, remember say 2 minutes in on that. Come on, man.
Better tough facts. Man a ricks in a swamp, pussy and yam. One round. Shit more better tough facts. Man a rick kill all the subs in a song. Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp.
Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp for you. Him attack. Listen to me. Me no want the genocide fans them are the Sparta fans them end up make the clash done, you know. Cause I know what Sparta not going, you know. I go say yo, the artists them are bat up the thing and a bat up. And a massacre start the boating and the yam thing and the war if you think about it, dog. Like think about it. And him started. So me no want to no come out and cry you know when Tommy Lee go back this, you know, dog. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Man a kill all the subs in a song. Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and I'm rich way. And you still a pay loan for your land.
Man say rich where? Where you rich? Man say you still a play a loan for your land. The man say you still a play a loan pussy. You're not rich.
Man a kill all the subs in a song. Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and I'm rich way. And you still a pay a loan for your land. Done fool car bill if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan.
Man say you turn full car barely for forward for your van. Man say remember say your monthly payment you take. Remember say your finance you depend. Remember say you have to pay 500 and 1,000 every hour. I don't know, man. I lie, me tell me that's a lie.
Which king pussy wanna concuss? Rich like oh look a nigga talk up.
Rich like oh look a nigga talk up. So he must adjust the part them where the G say yo, him broke. He must say yo, fuck you, broke your blood clot. Anything me broke, and a girl more. I never said that. I mean say that. Let's go.
If I come for your van, fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss? Rich like oh look a nigga talk up. We have landed the money and drugs. Rich and silence and not talk enough.
Man say we chat silence, we not talk enough. So don't think say you go see me forward on the net and tell you say yo, me own this and me own that pussy. No. And I might think that. No.
We pop Bali on the punch up. Fuck your Barbie and the time set enough. We pop Bali on the punch up. Fuck your Barbie and the time set. Fucking lame, I say make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in a prison style. I feel me free, chop your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where
wait a second, now watch your ball in a prison style. I'm telling you, dog.
fucking lame, I say make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in.
Man say you get bun. Man say you bakery. Oh, you get so much bun, eh? Yeah, what? Giants captain, oh, Yahoo, eh?
Fucking lame, I say make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in a prison style. I feel me free, chop your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where you
Man say, no watch you balling, bro. A prison style, a prison craft. And that's him I say?
Watch you ballin', a prison style. That's him afraid. Chop your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where you serve, things them are your guide. Black rain fall and shake the sky. The motor do me on the rifle, me testify. On a 1, 2, 3, you attend divide.
Man say, the amount of dope with on the rifle, me testify. And a 1, 2, 3, a 10 divide. A whole heap, you know? A whole heap.
The motor do me on the rifle, me testify. On a 1, 2, 3, you attend divide. If I'm here, this mood, I make it slide. I'm this one away, yeah,
Man say, if I'm me, this, me, I make it slide. But you this one, I'm elder. Ooh, what the hell do I get this?
if I'm here, this mood, I make it slide. I'm this one away, yeah. Richest murderer, we don't give a fuck. And no demons could have been a crook. Lose balance today where they talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the fuck.
Man said the demons could have been a crux, brother. Man said croc live in a blood clamorous pan with fish. Remember say fish about alright, let's go.
Lose balance today where they talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the fuck. You know fuck Aisha, you only know me cut.
You know fuck Aisha, you only know me talk. What?
The funny move where rifle up in the fuck. You know fuck Aisha, you only know me cut. If walk with a blood clot, how you do? You know say you lean like the letter W.
Man say yo, if walk could attack Bumblewall, remember say you lean like the letter W. Whoop, 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 whoop. Man say you lean, you know straight like blood clamors number 1 or I. You know straight. Lean. Corner. That's the way I say to me. You know me.
If walk with a blood clot, how you do? You know say you lean like the letter W. You just bad on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know.
Man say you just bad on the blower. You just bad on the bird. You just bad on the phone. Tryna make me buck up on the road. Pussy, you better defend that. That's how the GRS right so. Man say you better defend it. Massacre, defend it.
You just bad on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know. Me know say you idol, I do it. Little house shot, you don't know certain code, you know.
Man say me know say idol, I do on ya. Little house rat, you don't know code. You don't know code. Man say you're house rat. Remember say you used to. Alright, he never said that. I mean say that. Alright, let's go.
Me know say you idol, I do it. Little house shot, you don't know certain code, you know. You see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich, when the title they show me now.
Man say a climax of your portfolio. Climax IG baby mother. The man say you know say a climax of your portfolio. Your encyclopedia. Climax of your story. Where you're rich. Man say showing a pussy.
You see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich, when the title they show me now.
Man say where title they show we title dog. Where title there? Huh?
See a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich, when the title they show me now. Voice squeak like somebody hold your throat. Split him throat and carry your goat.
Man say vices. The man say yo, your vice a blood class split like somebody hold your throat, brother. The man, yeah, Vietnam, Charlie Night, you know, Charlie Night, bro, Charlie Night.
You see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich, when the title they show me now. Voice squeak like somebody hold your throat.
Man say your voice a squeak, bro. Like somebody hold your throat. What the fuck?
Split him throat and carry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad, pussy, we not talk no. You must be a man, couldn't be the crew. But money, I will take drugs. LSD, that memory time, so. Me ever go sober, me turn in a psycho. When you grow, we grow up, pussy, that's why your hype so.
Man say if me ever turn sober, me turn in a psycho. So he must say, yo, the Molly and the drugs where he take, if I that you want to say, I suppress the demon in him, bro. So him not mash up the place and kill you and give you and come here and Dragon Ball Z style. That's the way my serious is. Not me. Let's go. Man say you not grow how we grow, bro. We grow rough like blood clamors, pad scrubber. What do you mean? Not steel wood, wife of the wood. But you know what I mean? Rough like Scotch Brite, not spongy. Yeah, man say you grow soft.
That's why you ever glass over you hide from ups, you lock down and coke out. Come on.
Man say boy you hide from apps. You lock down and coke out. Remember say in a massacre song, him say him have apps on the road, so certain way him no roll and him no roll if him matic. Man say yo, you're not no apps pussy. You lock down and coke out.
That's why you ever glass over you hide from ups, you lock down and coke out. Come on, bro, you know you were free. You lick the pussy in a man that about crazy.
Come on, bro. You know you is a freak. You lick be pussy in your man the body crease. Wait! I want to believe where that little style from.
Come on, bro. You know you were free. You pussy in a man the body crease. You know you grew up good cause your father have like a cheese. My good old father no man never mind me.
And say, yo, you know you grew up good, bro, because your father make the cheese. Him same grow without him father, bro. You see me? And him never mind him. You see me? So I must say, yo, you come from a good home. So behave a little self. Alright. Masika, instead behave a little self. Me not go call him Maskita. Me not go do that. That wrong.
You know you grew up good cause your father have like a cheese. My good old father no man never mind me. What y'all do? Y'all rap or y'all email me. Come and know you a nerd at gangster what the be.
Yeah, he's trolling. He's fucking trolling, bro. He's fucking trolling.
What y'all do? Y'all rap or y'all email me. Come and know you a nerd.
Hold on, what y'all do?
Do you pussy in a man that body crazy? You know you grew up good cause your father have like a cheese. My good old father no man never mind me. What y'all do? Y'all rap or y'all email me. Come and know you a nerd at gangster what the be. Everything.
So y'all nerd at gangster what you do? Where so y'all do? Y'all go email him?
Do you know you was say it before me? That clever. Shut up projection, man. Me a bet $1 million. One of your fans can't sing one of your songs till it done.
Man say one of your fans can sing one of your songs till it done. Earlier on, Masika said Tamil Nano hit song. He does. I did say it. He does. And people can sing him song them word for word. Same way. Masika have song where people can sing word for word too.
Me a bet $1 million. One of your fans can't sing one of your songs till it done.
Man say I bet $1 million to one of your fans. One of Masika fans then take up that no? Million in the dog. Million in a million.
It's every bag of carnal anyway you turn. Your ego too big.
Ooh.
Sing one of your songs till it done. It's every bag of carnal anyway you turn.
On them serve a bag of caramel anyway you turn. Get it? Play upon words. Turn caramel. Serve a bag of caramel anyway you turn. He's trolling.
One of your fans can't sing one
One of your songs till he done. Serve a bag of caramel anyway you turn.
Your ego too big, I just see enough of you. Me see a bag of caramel everywhere me turn. When me look for see a massacre, when me not see none. When I size you.
Man say him look for see a massacre. When him looking not see none.
Pussy go sit down. Teacher big, I can't fit in him crown. You.
The man say teacher head big, you can't fit in him crown. Go sit down. Man say teacher head big, you can't fit in him crown. That is not a diss teacher, by the way. The man say, yo, teacher is a teacher is the teacher. You can't fit in him crown. So don't try size up, boy, you're king.
Me rich but I never me not signed to label, me not work for people. Yeah.
Man say me rich, but man say, yo, me not signed to label, me not work for people. Remember say Massacre sign. Man say, yo, me not sign to label, me not work for people, bro. Me rich and bad, see me with it.
Worship, crown, house, land and vehicle. Hope when you're dead, them bury them with you.
Man say, hope so when you're dead, all I think them when you worship, your house, your crown, your land and vehicle, make sure say everything bury with you. Yeah? Man say, yo, but I come talk about prison and them thing there, bro. Man say, one time I dey at prison, bro, and me around the block the way I'm evil, bro. And me around the block, every Dan look up to me because I'm the dance of dance. That's what you say, not me.
Suck your mother, you. I will be there destroyer. Oh, dear. When I figure a club massacre, I have some young destroyer. Remember, some me massacre look like massacre. I chat about one big crime, make massacre look small. You understand? But yeah, try to freak you, okay, what I tell you. I understand about freak things still, because maybe, you know, say I in your face, climax get her name, you see?
Man, so you don't understand about the freak thing, I in your face, climax get her name. One thing I was wishing, and I'm hoping that I miss it. I'm hoping that I miss it because I would like to go back and do maybe have a new segment named When Me Miss or what did I miss. So I'm gonna look out to that segment there because right now the first when I listen to the song, I'm gonna go know it. My reaction, alright? Oh, alright. Man say in your face, climax get her name. Yo, the war is on. We're live later on. Look out, tweet me out. Now waste the time.